What's up guys, Saif Ashraf here. Today we're going to be looking at the Soundpeat Air 4s coming in at only £50. This is a brilliant pair of wireless earphones and we're going to be seeing whether you should be picking one of these up. Let's get straight into the video. Disclaimer, if you're a daily viewer and you are surprised why I'm wearing a hat, I have hair, I got a trim, but we gotta let it marinate. If you know, you know. So let's talk about the design of the actual Soundpeat Air 4 first. Overall, it feels pretty nice. It is made of plastic. It is a pretty soft feeling plastic, which means it's a little bit slippery. However, it doesn't feel that cheap either. The only complaint I do have design wise is that when you shake the actual headphones, then it does make a little bit of a rattling sound, which is actually the headphones moving around inside the case. However, I'm nitpicking extremely to be finding that. Overall design wise, they do feel pretty solid. These don't feel that cheap in any means. We have an LED indicator at the front as well as a pairing button. At the bottom we have USB-C with the bronze Soundpeat coloring. And also at the back we have a Soundpeat logo with the same bronze coloring again. Talking about the actual earphones themselves, they have a shape similar to the AirPods 3rd generation. It is a one size fits all type of thing. They don't have the actual ear tips, which means that if you have the right size ears, then these will fit perfectly. They are a nice matte black with a glossy part for where it goes inside your ear. The only thing I don't like about the actual case and earphones is the way they actually go inside. They don't point inwards, they point outwards when going inside the case. And yeah, they do guide themselves. They guide themselves in the actual case. However, that is a little bit annoying. Alright, now let's talk about the actual sound, which I was very surprised in when listening to these for the first time. For only £50, I give the sound an A+ by far for these earphones. When I first listened to them, paired them to my phone and listened to Travis Scott's new album, Utopia, it actually sounded pretty good on here. Especially since I use AirPods Pro 2 as my main earphone. And they do get pretty loud. There is a little bit of sound leakage, so if you do listen to music at extremely high volumes, then people around you will be able to hear it a little bit. However, it's not that much. And yeah, the sound is definitely an A+. You can definitely hear a good amount of bass. The instrument separation is also pretty good. And vocals, yeah, are really clear and understandable. Now, these are advertised as noise cancellation earbuds. However, the noise cancellation isn't the greatest purely by the fact that these don't have the actual tips that seal inside your ear. They are the one size fits all. So yeah, it does try its best at doing noise cancellation. It does dim down the voices and just sound around you. However, it's not enough, especially by the standards of having earphones with tips that have noise cancellation. But yeah, noise cancellation, it is workable, but it's definitely not the best. Now, in terms of battery life, we have a solid 4 to 5 hours by the actual earbuds with all like big features turned off, and an extra about 28 to 30 hours with the actual case, which is very impressive. We don't have any wireless charging on this case, not that I know of, because I did try a couple wireless chargers and it didn't work. So yeah, now let's talk about whether this is worth £50. The sound alone, I would pay £50 for these, by far. I have a pair of Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus and these sound better than those. And we also get an app if you do want to delve into settings and equalizer and you want to just tune the music to how you want. We actually have a full equalizer in the app, not just modes where you can say bass preset, instrumental preset, vocals preset. You have a full amount of tuning that you can do with how you want your sound to be presented with these earbuds. So yeah, if you want to buy these, they will be linked in the description and also in the comments. And while you're down there, make sure to like and subscribe. We're nearly at 5,000 subscribers. And with that said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.